JR Narai Station in Shiojiri City, Nagano Prefecture. Get off the train and you'll find yourself in Naraijuku, a post town that has thrived since the Edo period centuries ago. Stretching approximately a kilometer from north to south along the old Nakasendo Highway, it is known as the longest post town in Japan. It's designated a National Important Preservation District, with its historic streetscapes meticulously preserved. 510,000 tourists arrive annually, with about 80% from overseas, mainly from Europe and North America. International visitors have called it the Samurai Trail.
And I appreciate that the Japanese culture maintains this city. It's not easy to maintain the city the way it is, and it's beautiful.
While Narai is popular among foreign tourists, it faces a growing problem of akiya, vacant houses. Amid a population outflow, roughly 70 of the 320 properties in this preservation district are said to be unoccupied.
The owners of this house moved to Tokyo, so it's vacant. They said that they want to get rid of it or do something with it.
While Narai is popular with inbound tourists, its convenient access is also a drawback. Most visitors are day trippers who stay for a brief time and don't spend money locally. Strict preservation rules hindering new entrants are also a key issue. Created to solve these challenges in Narai is a facility called BYAKU Narai. Once a 200-year-old sake brewery, the building was closed and renovated into a lodging facility. It was opened through a public-private partnership involving Takenaka Corporation, Shiojiri City, and other organizations.
This is our front desk. Almost nothing has been changed here, including the counter. It's exactly the same as it was during its days as a sake brewery. Historical items are also used for our displays.
When renovating buildings within a preservation district, there are strict regulations, including mandatory registrations and consultations with the city. But they turned those into an advantage, branding it as a luxury accommodation where guests can experience Japanese tradition.
This is our restaurant. What used to be the sake brewery was converted into the restaurant. In the back is the Suginomori Brewery, where we're making sake.
As a luxury accommodation where guests can immerse themselves in the history of Naraijuku, BYAKU Narai now attracts 7,000 visitors from Japan and abroad every year. The cuisine is heavily focused on local ingredients and served on the region's renowned kiso lacquerware, showcasing Narai's heritage.
We're entrusted with a regional treasure, so we make sure it's properly presented and explained to our guests. If our guests become fans of Narai as a result, and for instance, shop at local lacquerware stores, that money will circulate back into the local economy.
If more guests stay overnight, they'll spend a longer time in the area and have more opportunities to dine and shop. A shift is underway from a town where people stop by to one where people stay overnight.
With the influx of tourists and increasing demand from international visitors wanting to stay overnight, there's also been growing interest from people wanting to open businesses here. While this is great news for Narai, given the rising number of vacant houses, there's a risk that people might start remodeling without fully understanding the rules meant to protect the historic streetscape. To prevent this, the Narai district is drawing up and distributing clear guidelines so that even outsiders can easily understand how these buildings should be renovated.
We want to prepare trial housing for people considering moving here. And since this is a tourist spot, trial storefronts as well. We want to work towards filling all vacant properties.